Space is full of surprises, and some of them are downright terrifying. Imagine floating in a vast, silent void where your screams would never be heard. Could the unknown answers of the universe be even more frightening than we imagine? Let's explore the most terrifying facts about deep space. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the most mind-blowing facts about our universe. Today, we're venturing into the eerie, the chilling, and the downright scary truths of deep space. From cosmic collisions to the silence of the void, we're uncovering the dark side of the cosmos. Buckle up, because this journey is not for the faint-hearted. Think of a scene straight from an old-school horror movie, but this time, it's happening in space. It's not only living things that devour each other, galaxies do it too. In our universe, big galaxies often crash into and swallow up smaller ones. Research shows that these massive collisions happen roughly every 8 to 9 billion years. And guess what? Our Milky Way is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. They're expected to smash together in about 4 billion years, which will likely wipe out all life in both galaxies. It's a huge, cosmic event that will change the face of our night sky forever. Sound is a type of energy that moves in waves. It needs to travel through something, like solids, liquids, or air, because it depends on the shaking of particles in these materials. On Earth, sound moves well through the air, which is why we can hear various noises. But in space, it's a whole different story. Space is like a giant empty room with almost nothing in it. No air, no particles. This means there's nothing for sound waves to move through, so space is completely quiet. This quietness is very different from what we experience on Earth, where the air around us helps carry sounds to our ears. Without air or another material, sound can't move, making space a silent place. Although space itself is silent, scientists have found ways to make sense of space sounds. They use a process called sonification, which turns data into sound. For instance, the radio waves picked up by spacecraft are changed into sounds we can hear. These sounds aren't natural. They're more like interpretations of the data in a way we can listen to. We've also learned about sounds in space through something called gravitational waves. These waves are like ripples through space itself, caused by huge events like black holes merging. Scientists at places like LIGO can turn the measurements from these ripples into sounds. So, in a way, we can listen to these massive cosmic events. Radio astronomy has been crucial in turning space data into sounds. Fiorella Terenzi, for example, has transformed radio waves from distant galaxies into sounds. This method helps scientists and people understand the vast and complex universe a bit better. Space probes have also picked up sounds by capturing the effects of particles or turning electromagnetic waves into audio. For example, when NASA's Juno spacecraft flew into Jupiter's magnetic field, it collected changes in electric fields that were turned into sounds. The Cassini probe did something similar with Saturn's radio emissions, which relate to Saturn's auroras. Some landers on other planets and moons have even recorded actual sounds. The Perseverance rover on Mars and the Chinese Zhurong rover have both sent back sounds from the Martian surface. The Soviet Venera 13 probe caught sounds on Venus, like the wind and the noise of the probe hitting the ground. And the European Space Agency's Huygens lander recorded sounds as it fell through the atmosphere of Titan, one of Saturn's moons. The universe is a beautiful yet terrifying place, full of mysteries that challenge our understanding. From rogue planets to the eerie silence of space, the cosmos holds many secrets. Stay curious, and keep exploring the wonders and horrors of space with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cosmic content. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars and wondering about the vast, mysterious universe we live in.